Okay, today we are going to see about the GCD of two numbers Java problem. So, what's the question here? Given two positive integers a and b, find GCD of a and b. So, what's GCD actually? The greatest common divisor of two numbers. So, in 3 comma, if for example, the numbers which are given here input is 3 comma 6. In this 3 comma 6, 3 is the greatest common divisor which can divide 3 and 6. So, after 3 there will be 4 or 5 which cannot be dividing the 3 and 6, right? So 3 is the greatest common divisor. So we'll first code it in a online compiler. First of all, what is the input here? The input will be here, two integers they will be giving, no, so the input will be integers, so the output will be one integer, because we will be getting the greatest common divisor as a number, no, so integer, right? Okay, the positive integer is the input here. So now we'll create a, so logic will be, we'll create a while loop first, so that we can run up to the one value, up to any integer in this two positive integers goes to zero. Okay, now I'll create a class. First of all, class is a blueprint which tells Java or template. So inside that, static is the keyword which tells the method belongs to Java. Okay, so we don't have to create object. So we'll here use a return type as integer, because we'll get the output as integer. Okay, now we'll name the method, and inside that we'll pass the parameters. Int two parameters will be passing, right? So that I have declared both parameters are integer. Now I'll create a while loop here. First, I will set as b not equal to 0 and open the loop here. And I'll store here the b, because we are going to alter the b, so we will be losing the b. So I'll store a create a temporary variable and initialize it as integer and store the b first, because in the last we can get the b from the temporary variable. Okay, now I'll b a modulo. So what I've done here, I'll explain first. While b not equal to 0, we can get the we'll pass inside that loop, so that we'll be storing the temporary variable as b, and then in b we will doing a modulo division where a modulo b, so that we'll then we'll store the initialized first temporary b in the a. So by doing this we can get the value of GCD. I will show you the example where I will be creating a, inside it I'll now return a, because a will be the value. Now I'll show you how to do it with the example. Main method, public static void main. I'll pass a variable first. A is equal to, I'll pass it 18, and in b is equal to 36. So we are going to find the GCD of these two numbers. Then I'll print dot dot print ln, and inside that we will call the method name, and inside that we'll opening a bracket and we'll pass the values there. And here we'll for every line we use a semicolon, so that the Java understood that's the end of the line. If you miss the semicolon, then there will be error displayed. Okay. Okay. Now I'll run this code. code executed successful and the value is 18. So first of all, we think of the 18 and 36. For 18 and 36, 18 is the greatest common divisor, right? So if we go with the mathematical answer, so I will explain now what happens here. So we'll call the main method here. So we'll pass the argument int a and b 18 comma 36 here. So while b not equal to 0. So b is 36 first. B is not equal to 0. So that we go inside the loop and we store the b into the temp and b is equal to a modulo b. So a modulo b means 18 modulo b 36. 18 modulo 36 answer will be the smallest number. So the in modulo division the smallest number is the uh, answer of the modulo division. Okay, so we'll be getting the answer of 18 itself. Then we'll be storing the first temporary in the A. So first temporary will be 36 now. Now here we'll be having the value now here as B is equal to 18 and A is equal to 36. Now the values are interchanged, right? Because of this operation. Now, now B value is 18, A value is 36. Now also the B value is not equal to 0. So we go again to the loop and now we'll store the B value as 18. So temporary variable here will be 18. Now we'll go to the modulo division. B is equal to A modulo B. Now B is equal to 36 modulo 18. So now B will be 0 now. Modulo division 36 by 18, the remainder will be 0, right? So B becomes 0 here. And and below that A will be storing the temp. First the temp will, now the temp will be 18, right? So B becomes 0 and we exit the loop, return A. Return A means A is equal to now 18, right? So we have got the output as 18. Understood? So now we completed the GCD solution, GCD problem in Java. Thank you.